Common hole types in CNC machining. Holes are one of the most common features in mechanical parts. They serve many purposes: assembly, positioning, fastening, weight reduction, guiding, ventilation, drainage, or mounting hardware.
Different hole types are used depending on assembly method, screw design, positioning requirements, and load conditions. Common hole types include through holes, go completely through the parts used for fasteners or ventilation. Blind holes do not pass through the parts used for mounting features. Threaded holes, tapped holes allow screws to fastening components. Counterbore holes for flathead and socket screws to sit flush. Countersinking holes for countersunk screws. Reamed holes for precise diameters or shape fits. Spotface holes to create flat surface around both heads. Slotted holes for adjustable positioning. Clearance holes slightly larger than fasteners to allow easy assembly. CNC machining processes include drilling, reaming, boring, tapping, milling, chamfering, counterboring, and countersinking. For simple mounting holes, standard drilling and tapping are sufficient. For high precision locating holes, bearing holes, dip holes, small holes, irregular shapes, or high tolerance threaded holes, CNC machining must carefully control tooling, fixturing, material, and inspection methods.
CNC can create precise holes in aluminum, stainless steel, copper, titanium, and engineering plastics, helping engineers achieve reliable assembly and stable functionality.